Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair Now, back with a nasty repair on this Challenger. So you can see it's right under that TA. The owner's Harley fell into the fender and the brake handle made a nasty crease. Let me turn around and show you the damage. All right, so you can see it damaged the sticker. That'll get replaced when we're done. But that crease is super deep. All right through here. Up on top, it's got a little bit. We're gonna peel the sticker off, pull the wheel off, and see if we can get in there and use some new technology on it. The car is super low mileage, 784 miles. Whew. So our number one goal here is to try and save this factory paint. All right, I'll be back to show you the damage once we get this decal removed. That's so deep. All right, so I just want to give you a quick update on where we're at. So you can see the panel's coming up, and we're getting a lot of that depth out. You can really see how sharply creased the metal was right there. That's that deepest section. All right, so I'm gonna give you an update on where we're at. We're pretty well into the repair. You can see that a lot of that depth is coming out of that crease. And that's the big problem on this job, is that it's so deep that the metal's stretched. We're still using traditional paintless dent repair methods, but in order to finish this, we're going to be switching to a new technology that actually lets us shrink the metal. So anyways, there it is. I'll be back a little bit later in the process to show you where we're at. All right, so here's where we're at. I'll give you another update on this repair. You can see it looks horrible, but I have a good friend that always says the PDR repairs like this are kind of like sausage. You don't necessarily want to see it being made, but it definitely tastes good when it's done. So where we're at, I've gone in. Remember, we had that super crazy crease all through there. You can still see the remnants of it. The metal is so stretched that it's doing what we call an oil can. So we have this car for a couple of days. It's the end of the day now, and we'll be back tomorrow. We've got a new technology that's out for paintless repair that's going to allow us to shrink that metal down and save this panel. All right, I'll be back to show you tomorrow. All right, so here's where we're finishing up with this Challenger. So for comparison, this is where we finished up, right? Remember, we had that wicked crease coming through here and even deeper this way. The TA obviously is going to be replaced, and likely this lower stripe will be replaced too. If you've got something special with crazy damage or something goofy like that, we are the company to call. Thanks for watching. If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.